Exercise 4.1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. And here it's given, take the cost of the notebook as X, rupees X, and that of a pen to be rupees Y. So we can write, let the cost of a notebook be X, rupees X. And cost of the pen be rupees Y. Then cost, here it's given cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. That means cost of the notebook we have taken that as X. X is equal to twice the cost of the pen. 2 times the cost of the pen. 2 into cost of the pen as Y. So 2 into Y. Which means we can write X is equal to 2Y. Same thing we can write X minus 2Y is equal to 0. When we are moving 2Y to the left side, X minus 2Y is equal to 0. Here the question, write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. So this is the linear equation in two variables. X and Y are the variables to represent the given statement. Statement is the cost of a notebook is twice that of the cost of a pen. So we can write X minus 2Y is equal to 0 is the linear equation. In two variables. Second question, express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values a, b, c in each case. First one, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar. This we have to convert, this term we have to convert to the left side to make in the given form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. For that, this we can rewrite as 2x plus 3y, and when we are moving from right side to left side, it will become negative 9.35 bar is equal to 0. Now the same format, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then when we are comparing these two, we can write a is equal to, in place of a, that means coefficient of x. Here that is 2, coefficient of y 3, coefficient of constant c is equal to minus 9.35 bar. This is the first one. Now the second one, x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. This already all the terms are there on the left side. Here we have to compare coefficient of x, that is, this we can rewrite 1x minus 1 by 5 into y minus 10 equal to 0. Then a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 by 5 and c constant minus 10. Now third one, c minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. When we are moving to the left side, minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0, and compare with the equation. So a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3 and constant minus 6. Now fourth one, x is equal to 3y. That we can rearrange x minus 3y equal to 0. We have to convert to this form. When we are comparing with this, a is equal to, that means coefficient of x, that is 1. b means coefficient of y, that is minus 3. And c is the constant. Here is no term as constant, that means 0. We can write c is equal to 0. Next one, 2x is equal to minus 5y. That we can rewrite 2x minus 5y when we are moving to the left side, it will become plus 5y equal to 0. And comparing with a is equal to 2, coefficient of x that is 2, b coefficient of y that is 5, and c means constant, no term, so 0. Now sixth one, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Here all terms are there on the left side, so directly we can compare with the ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A means coefficient of x, that is 3. B means y term is not here, that means 0. Y is not there, and 0 into y, 0. So here y term is 0, which means b is equal to 0. And c is the constant 2. If you want, you can rewrite the given equation as 3x plus 0y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now seventh one, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here this we can rewrite, there is no x term, so 0 into x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then coefficient of x that is 0, coefficient of y 1, 1 into y, y itself. So b is equal to 1 and constant c is equal to minus 2. Here this we can rewrite, 5 is equal to 2x, same thing we can write 2x is equal to 5. Again that we can write 2x plus 0y and move that 5 to the left side, minus 5 equal to 0. Then we are comparing, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 5.